Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday?
Sure. Here are some creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday party.
Outdoor adventure party. Organize a scavenger hunt or treasure hunt around the backyard or nearby park. Set up an obstacle course or an inflatable bouncy castle for some active fun. Cooking or baking party. Host a cooking or baking party where the birthday kid and their friends can make their own pizzas, decorate cupcakes, or learn how to make their favorite snacks. Arts and crafts party. Set up an art station where kids can create their own crafts, such as painting, making friendship bracelets, or creating their own unique pieces of art. Karaoke party. Rent a karaoke machine and have a singing party. Kids can take turns singing their favorite songs, or you can organize a singing competition. Movie night party. Set up an outdoor movie screen or rent a projector to create a movie theater experience in your own backyard. Serve popcorn and snacks, and let the kids choose the movie. Pool party. If you have access to a pool, consider hosting a pool party. Set up pool games like Marco Polo, pool volleyball or basketball, and provide pool floats and toys. Science party. Set up fun science experiments and demonstrations. Kids can make their own slime, create lava lamps, or make their own rocket launchers. Sports party. Set up a sports-themed party where kids can play their favorite sports games like soccer, basketball, or dodgeball. Dress-up party. Host a dress-up party where kids can come dressed in their favorite costumes or outfits. Set up a runway or photo booth for them to show off their looks. Virtual party. Host a virtual party for the birthday kid and their friends. Set up online games, activities, and a virtual cake-cutting ceremony. Hope these ideas help you plan an amazing birthday party for your 10-year-old.